Welcome to MedCare Training Academy, your pathway into compassionate, in-demand healthcare careers. Fast-track your healthcare career with our state-registered CNA and LPN certification programs. We're now enrolling for our next class. Our Certified Nursing Assistant program is just 4 to 6 weeks, Monday through Friday, with expert instruction, hands-on clinical training, and complete state exam preparation.
You'll gain real skills and support, including job assistance and possible grant funding. All courses are approved by the Tennessee Department of Labor and sponsored by True Victory Ministries.
Over 500 graduates strong, 95% pass rate. This is your pathway to success.
Visit our website to learn more and enroll today.
Don't wait. Your new career to success is waiting for you.